the best high-protein food for building muscle at home, no gym. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, these foods can help you reach your muscle-building goals. A little heads up, though. It's challenging doing this, but it's very possible with the right approach. Here are 12 high-protein foods that can help you build muscle effectively. Number 1. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a fantastic choice for building muscle at home. It's a lean protein source, meaning it offers a high protein content without excessive fat. This protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, making it an essential part of your muscle-building diet. You can prepare chicken breast in numerous ways, including grilling, baking, or sautéing. Season it with herbs and spices for added flavor. For optimal muscle-building benefits, incorporate chicken breast into a balanced meal that includes carbohydrates and healthy fats. Chicken breast is not only high in protein but also contains essential amino acids, the building blocks of muscle tissue. Furthermore, it's low in calories and saturated fats, making it a healthy choice for those aiming to build lean muscle mass. When purchasing it, choose organic or free-range options when possible. These choices tend to be higher in nutrients and lower in harmful chemicals. Additionally, remove the skin before cooking to reduce the fat content further. Number 2. Turkey. Turkey is another excellent protein source for building muscle at home. Like chicken, it is a lean meat, meaning it provides high-quality protein without excessive fat. This protein is essential for repairing and building muscle tissue, making turkey a valuable addition to your muscle-building diet. You can use turkey in various dishes, such as sandwiches, salads, or as a main course. It can be roasted, grilled, or even ground up for use in burgers or meatballs. Season it with herbs and spices for added flavor. Similar to chicken, turkey is rich in essential amino acids, which are necessary for muscle growth and repair. It is also low in calories and saturated fats, making it a healthy choice for those looking to build lean muscle mass. When purchasing turkey, opt for lean cuts and avoid processed varieties, such as deli meats, which can be high in sodium and preservatives. Include turkey in your meals regularly to reap its muscle-building benefits. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, especially when it comes to building muscle. They are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids needed for muscle building and repair. This makes eggs an excellent choice for anyone looking to increase their muscle mass. In addition to their protein content, eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals that are important for overall health and muscle function. These include vitamins A, D, E, and B12, as well as iron, zinc, and selenium. Eggs can be enjoyed in many ways, such as boiled, scrambled, or poached. They can also be added to dishes like salads or used as a protein-rich topping for toast or sandwiches. When buying eggs, opt for free-range or pasture-raised options, as these tend to be higher in nutrients compared to conventionally raised eggs. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great addition to your muscle-building diet. It is high in protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. In addition to its protein content, Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help improve digestion and overall gut health. Probiotics can aid in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients, including protein, which can be beneficial for muscle growth. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, which is important for bone health and muscle function. You can enjoy Greek yogurt on its own or use it as a base for smoothies or dressings. Look for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars, which can be detrimental to your health and fitness goals. Adding Greek yogurt into your diet can help support your muscle-building efforts while also providing other health benefits such as improved digestion and better overall health. Number 5. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a fantastic choice for a nighttime snack or meal, especially if you're aiming to build muscle. It's rich in casein protein, which is a slow-digesting protein. This slow digestion rate means that the protein is released into your body over a more extended period, making it ideal for overnight muscle repair and growth. Casein protein is known for its ability to prevent muscle breakdown, making it an excellent choice before long periods of fasting, such as overnight when you're sleeping. Additionally, cottage cheese is also a good source of other nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, which are important for bone health and overall muscle function. You can enjoy cottage cheese on its own or incorporate it into recipes like smoothies, salads, or even as a topping for baked potatoes. Aim for low-fat or fat-free varieties to keep your calorie and fat intake in check. Incorporating cottage cheese into your diet can help support muscle growth and repair, especially overnight when your body needs a steady supply of protein for optimal recovery. Number 6. Fish, salmon, tuna. Fish, such as salmon and tuna, are not only delicious but also excellent choices for building muscle. They are rich in protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Additionally, they contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can support muscle recovery. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation and improving heart health. In the context of muscle building, omega-3s can help reduce inflammation in the muscles after intense workouts, allowing for faster recovery and potentially better muscle growth over time. Salmon and tuna can be incorporated into your diet in various ways, such as grilled, baked, or even canned. Aim to include fish in your diet at least twice a week to reap its muscle building and overall health benefits. When buying fish, opt for wild-caught varieties when possible, as they tend to be higher in omega-3 fatty acids compared to farm-raised fish. Adding fish to your diet can help support muscle growth and recovery, thanks to its high protein and omega-3 content. Number 7. Lean beef. Lean beef is a valuable addition to your muscle-building diet. It is high in protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Additionally, lean beef contains iron, a mineral that is crucial for overall health and muscle function. Iron is necessary for the production of hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen to your muscles and other tissues. Without enough iron, your muscles may not function optimally, leading to fatigue. When choosing lean beef, opt for cuts such as sirloin, tenderloin, or round cuts, as they tend to be lower in fat compared to other cuts. It's also important to cook beef properly to ensure food safety and to avoid the consumption of harmful bacteria. You can enjoy lean beef in various ways, such as grilled, roasted, or stir-fried. Pair it with a side of vegetables and whole grains for a balanced meal that supports muscle growth and overall health. Incorporating lean beef into your diet can help ensure you're getting enough protein and iron to support muscle growth and overall muscle function. Number 8. Quinoa. Quinoa is a versatile and nutritious food that can be a great addition to your muscle-building diet. It is a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs for muscle growth and repair. This makes quinoa an excellent plant-based protein option for vegetarians and vegans. In addition to its protein content, quinoa is also rich in complex carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are a great source of energy for your workouts, providing a steady release of energy to fuel your muscles during exercise. Quinoa can be cooked and enjoyed in various ways, such as in salads, soups, or as a side dish. It has a nutty flavor and a slightly chewy texture, making it a delicious and satisfying addition to your meals. Number 9. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes are excellent sources of plant-based protein, making them a great choice for muscle building, especially for vegetarians and vegans. They are also rich in fiber, which can help support digestion and overall health. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair, and beans and legumes provide a good amount of protein per serving. They are also low in fat and cholesterol, making them a healthy choice for your muscle-building diet. They are also high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are important for overall health and well-being. Beans and legumes can be incorporated into your diet in various ways, such as in soups, stews, salads, or as a side dish. They are versatile and can add flavor, texture, and nutrition to your meals. Number 10. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-rich foods that can be beneficial for muscle building and overall health. They are good sources of protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Additionally, they contain healthy fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain health and reducing inflammation in the body. In addition to protein and healthy fats, nuts and seeds are also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are important for overall health and well-being. They can be a great addition to your diet, especially if you're looking to increase your protein intake without consuming meat or dairy products. Nuts and seeds can be enjoyed on their own as a snack or added to meals such as salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. They can also be ground into nut butter or used as a topping for dishes to add texture and flavor. Number 11. Tofu and Tempeh. Tofu and tempeh are excellent plant-based sources of protein that can be beneficial for muscle building. They are made from soybeans and are rich in protein, making them suitable alternatives to meat for vegetarians and vegans. Tofu is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, such as stir-fries, soups, and salads. It has a mild flavor, making it a great base for marinades and seasonings. Tempeh is another soy-based product that is firmer and has a nuttier flavor than tofu. It can be sliced, marinated, and grilled or sautéed, making it a delicious addition to sandwiches, wraps, and bowls. Both tofu and tempeh are also rich in other nutrients, such as iron, calcium, and magnesium, which are important for muscle function and overall health. Adding tofu and tempeh into your diet can help you meet your protein needs and support muscle building, especially if you're following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Number 12. Protein supplements. Protein supplements, such as whey protein powder, can be a convenient way to increase your protein intake. Whey protein is a high-quality protein derived from milk and is quickly absorbed by the body. Protein supplements are available in various forms, including powders, shakes, and bars, making them easy to consume on the go. They can help you meet your daily protein requirements, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. It's important to note that while protein supplements can be beneficial, they should not replace whole foods in your diet. It's always best to get nutrients from a variety of sources to ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients your body needs. If you choose to use protein supplements, look for high-quality products from reputable brands. Whey protein isolate is often recommended due to its high protein content and low lactose content, making it suitable for many people, including those with lactose intolerance. However, they should be used as part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. And that's a wrap on our list of high-protein foods for building muscle at home. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to include these foods in your diet regularly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Remember, consistency is what makes all the difference.